Hey y'all, so today I'm going to show you how I crochet my little Christmas rings here. So yeah, let's jump in and get started. I am using the Party Yarn. It's by Karen, Simply Soft Party Yarn. It's a sparkle yarn. A 5mm hook. A wooden ring. This is a 3-inch wooden ring. You're going to need some buttons, and yeah, let's jump in and get started here. So I'm going to make a slip knot. Attach it to my ring here. So I'm just going to go in the center of the ring, pull up my yarn, and slip stitch it on there. I'm going to work over my tail. Okay, so from here we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to single crochet in the center. We're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and we're going to half double. Messed that one up. Then we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to double. Then we're going to do a single. We're going to chain 2, do a half double, okay, we're going to chain 3, we're going to do a double. Now we're back to doing a single, and this is just a repeat pattern all the way around. We'll chain 2, do a half double, chain 3, do a double, and we're just going to keep scrunching this together. Okay, I don't count my stitches. We're just going to keep scrunching it together until it's tight on there. Okay, and the stitches that we're doing, you can see once they're bunched together, they make this little ruffle around the edges. Okay, so that's all there is to it. Like I said, a repeat pattern, so we are back to a single crochet, chain 2, half double, chain 3, a double, and now we're back to a single. Okay, like I said, repeat pattern. You're going to keep doing that all the way around. Just keep scrunching this together as you go until you think you've got enough on there. You like the look and everything. And I will meet back up with you then. Okay, I am going to nip off. Actually, first I'm going to pull these stitches together and then nip off my end and continue working around. So let's see, I just did a single, so now I'm going to chain 2, do a half double, chain 3, do a double, and now I'm back to a single. Okay, so I'm going to keep doing that and pushing my stitches together until I get it snug how I want it on there. Again, not counting stitches. Okay, I'm back around to the beginning here. I'm all nice and snug. Like I said, I don't count stitches on this one. Just till you get back around, it's all nice and snug and smushed together and has a nice ripple effect. You want to end off on a single crochet. Now we're going to make our little hanger. So we're going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then all we're going, I think I did 10. If you don't think that's a big enough hanger, like you can bring it back down. If that you don't think that's a big enough loop, just add a couple more chains to it. And then we're going to come back down, kind of pry this apart here, and we're going to slip stitch down to our first stitch, down to our first single crochet. Just going to slip stitch in there. Okay. Just like that. Cut our yarn. Weave in the tails. I will leave y'all to do that because my needle is across the room. So I'll just do that later. But all you're going to do is just turn it over and weave it. Come down in here and just weave it through these stitches a couple of times back and forth. Okay? So we're going to pretend that I've already done that. And actually, no. Hang on, I'm going to go get it because it's going to bug me. Okay, so just weave it in back and forth a few times there. You don't want to stretch your stitches. Okay, I'm going to go one more time back this way. Call it good. Nip off my end. Okay. there's our wreath part. Now we're going to put on our buttons. I've got a few here I'm going to use. Oh yeah, my hot glue is ready. So we're going to use hot glue to glue these on. And it's making a mess over here. Hot glue to glue them on. I place my buttons how I want them on there first. Because once you glue them, they ain't moving. So just kind of lay them how you think you want. These are flat back buttons. These ones here are shank buttons. All I do is take my little nippers, my little flush cutters, and cut that off. Okay. I get my buttons from usually either Joann's or Hobby Lobby. I'll have everything in the description below. So this one I chose just some snowflakes and some deer, and my deer are going to be dancing in the snowflakes. Yep, that looks good to me. Okay, so now I'm just going to do a little dab of glue. And just stick it right on there. Oop, that was a bit much. Spread that out. Okay. And there you go. Super cute. So, like I said, I will have, check out the description below. But yeah, that's it for this one. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment. And yeah, until next time, see ya.